Happy holidays, everyone. It's Mike Seuss, and today I'm going to show you 19 affordable gifts for your favorite Tesla owner. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below and should arrive before Christmas if ordered when this video is released. So if you see something, get it while you can. Let's not waste any time and jump right into gift number 1. We Tesla owners take pride in our cars, and there's no better way to keep them shiny and new than with this 21-item car wash kit by Adams. It comes with everything Tesla owners need to keep their car clean inside and out, including a foam cannon, wash bucket, scrub brushes, drying towels, and 6 different cleaning solutions. I use this kit regularly, which would make a great gift, especially this winter. Another way your loved one can protect their Tesla is with the Rimcase by MagBak. This product protects your rims from curb rash. It comes with individual segments that easily attach to your rim and can be used to protect your rims and cover existing damage, making your rims look brand new without spending a fortune on rim repair. If a segment gets damaged, just replace that portion and you're good to go. It's made for the Model 3 and Model Y induction and Uber turbine wheels. They come in black, red, or white. You can get 15% off the MagBak Rimcase using my code MikeSeuss via the link in the description. An excellent way to light up your Tesla owner's life is with this awesome LED strips by Nestour. These light strips are installed into your Tesla dashboard, center console, and footwells and can be customized to display literally any color you can think of, wirelessly using the mobile app. You can even make them dance to the beat of your music, flash, and fade. The brightness can also be controlled. These lights transform the entire night driving experience and are easy to install. If you have time, you can watch how I installed mine in this video. If you didn't know, Teslas have built-in video games, some of which can only be played with a controller. If your loved one has a Tesla and enjoys video games, then these Bluetooth gaming controllers by Jowua are a no-brainer. They let you play your favorite Tesla games wirelessly, have built-in rechargeable batteries, and are slim and compact to store in a Tesla easily. I love mine, and they will too. I take my Tesla on multiple road trips, and one thing I can't go without is these super comfortable neck headrests exclusively designed for Tesla vehicles. They're comfortable and support your driving posture. They're made of soft, eco-friendly vegan leather and have adjustable memory foam inserts. They come in white or black, which matches Tesla's OEM seats, and are easy to clean with a cloth and mild soap. These are easily one of the best gifts on this list, and I recommend picking up a pair for any Tesla driver who does long commutes. Get 20% off these using my code MikeSeuss20 via the link in the description. Spruce up the office space or desk of any Tesla lover with this cool Cybertruck Model Car, which features extreme detail, has functional doors, a tonneau cover, a hood, and suspension all on 4 wheels, and also features lights and sound. It can be used for adults to display in their office while they wait for their actual Cybertruck to be delivered, or for kids to play with and get on the Tesla train nice and early. I have mine displayed in my office as a way to manifest it into reality. It would make a great gift this holiday season. If your Tesla owner has a pet that loves to take car rides, this backseat protection cover is an excellent gift for both the owner and the pet. It's custom made to fit Tesla's headrest, and it's made of 600D Oxford cloth material with 4 layers of protection. It's scratch resistant and has a grippy texture underneath to prevent sliding around when in motion. There's also this little cutout in the middle so you can keep an eye on your pup and they can know they aren't alone. Another thing is it protects your doors by installing these flaps into the windows. My pup loves taking rides with this, and I'm sure every other pup will too. A no-brainer gift for Tesla owners is Tesla-themed clothing like the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. Love it or hate it, but many of us Tesla owners are proud to own a Tesla and aren't afraid to show it. What better way to do that than with Apparel? You can get hundreds of different items from t-shirts to hats and hoodies with a range of designs related to Tesla by visiting accessoriesfortesla.com, which also is a sponsor of this channel. Accessories for Tesla also offers hundreds of Tesla accessories like all the ones mentioned in this video so far, as well as useful mobile apps and up-to-date news on all things Tesla. So go check it out. Since Teslas only come with 2 interior options, many Tesla owners look for different ways to customize their interior to make it unique and stand out from the crowd. One of the best ways to do this is by changing the color of the seats using these seat covers by Tape-Test. As you can see, I've installed them in my own Tesla and they look and feel great. You can get them in various colors and choose vegan nappa or lychee leather. They completely cover the seats for an OEM look while protecting them and providing extra comfort. I made a whole video on these here if you have time to check it out. If your Tesla owner isn't using the phone mount, then they're missing out. Believe it or not, phone mounts are one of the top selling Tesla accessories. But why would a Tesla owner need one of these since Tesla's screen shows you everything? For one, Tesla's navigation doesn't give you valuable information other apps can, like live road hazards, accidents, police traps, elevation, and 3D maps. This mount by MagBak allows you to run these apps side by side for better navigation while also providing wireless charging. It's easy to install, compatible with MagSafe devices, and blends seamlessly in a Tesla. It's also the perfect height for hands-free FaceTime calls. Get 15% off the MagBak wireless charger using my code MikeSeuss via the link in the description. If your Tesla owner owns a house but still uses the Tesla mobile charger, it's time for an upgrade. That's where this level 2 Tesla wall charger by MaxPeedingRods comes in. It allows a Tesla to be charged 8 times faster than using the mobile Tesla charger, giving owners peace of mind knowing they can have their car charged in a jiffy, especially if they forget their charge overnight. It does need to be professionally installed, but it's worth it. You can connect it to Wi-Fi and control it from your mobile device while you're away. Install it indoors or outdoors, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. A simple but extremely useful gift for Tesla owners would be an upgraded SSD hard drive like this Samsung T5 portable SSD. You see, Teslas have multiple cameras that can record suspicious activity and important dash cam footage when in an accident. All of this footage is recorded on a USB flash drive, which for many is limited in space. Upgrading to a SSD increases the storage, typically works faster, and is more reliable, which is essential when recording and playing back footage when you need it most. I've recommended this SSD many times on my channel and for a good reason. Upgrade your loved one's Tesla today. Winter is just about here, and in my neighborhood there are plenty of Teslas, but for some reason I see a lot being kept outside, which is no good if you want to keep your car new and holding its resale value. If you have a loved one who keeps their Tesla outside, a great gift would be this car cover, like this one from Bigger Cover. It's custom fit for Tesla cars and can resist all types of extreme weather conditions. It's 100% waterproof and has an inner layer of fleece to keep the car scratch free. It even has an opening to plug in your charger. It comes with a carrying bag and a full lifetime warranty. Most people who buy Teslas are minimalists who like to keep things clean and tidy. That's why this Tesla trunk organizer would make a great gift for them. It has 3 compartments and sidewalls with removable dividers that can be resized to fit large or small items and conveniently folds away when not in use. It's waterproof to protect the trunk from spills and has 12 extra pockets for quick access items. You may have seen me show you this in other videos. I use mine for groceries and to keep my Tesla accessories nice and organized. A perfect gift for your favorite neat freak. Whether a coffee, tea, or hot cocoa drinker, a drinking mug is always a safe option as a holiday gift for all ages. But instead of some old boring mug, get your Tesla lover this really cool ceramic mug with cool Tesla graphics printed on it. This simple gift makes a great stocking stuffer this holiday season. Get it before it's too late via the link in the description. Speaking of neat freaks, microfiber cloths are another simple and very useful gift for Tesla owners. You can never have enough microfiber cloths since they come in handy and can be used for anything. I always keep a bunch stored in my Tesla for things like keeping my screen clean, wiping my mirrors, and cleaning up messes. And I even use them to clean my glasses when I need them for driving at night. You can get these in a pack of 24 all the way up to a pack of 144. And for just about 12 bucks, it's a no-brainer. Another way to keep Teslas neat and tidy is to organize the glove box. Tesla's glove box is not that functional since it's a big open space with no way to organize items that can be stored in it. That is where this strange looking product comes in. This glove box organizer splits the glove box into 4 separate spaces to finally organize your things. It just slides in like that, and that's it. Now you can keep your documents where you need them and other items easy to access without shuffling through all of your things. For about 10 bucks, it makes a great stocking stuffer. This one is for all the Airpod owners out there. Most AirPod models come with a wireless charging case. However, if you ever tried charging them on your Tesla wireless charging pads, you'll notice that it doesn't work. This is because the wireless charging connection is located in the middle of the pads since they're made to charge mobile phones. This charger stand by Jowua lets your AirPods sit in the perfect position to charge with no problem. And since there's a difference in case size between standard AirPods and AirPods Pro, the stand can be rotated to fit your specific model. This is another great stocking stuffer. If you really love your significant other or even yourself, you can give the best gift in the world, a Tesla. Why does a Tesla make an excellent gift for a loved one? Well, first, because of its safety. Teslas are one of the safest cars in the world, with 5-star ratings across the board for multiple reasons. Second, they're secure, equipped with 9 cameras and a top-notch security system so the car and its occupants can be safe and alert in many situations. Third, no more gas means no more sketchy gas stations. Just charge at home and go. Fourth, they're great for dogs. Tesla Dog Mode keeps your pup comfortable and safe when left in the car for a short period. Fifth, they're fun. Teslas have tons of entertainment options like video games, streaming services, and even karaoke. They'll never get bored in a Tesla. 6, there's very low maintenance. No oil changes, fuel filters, spark plug replacements, or emission checks. Even brake pad replacements are rare because regenerative braking returns the energy to the battery, significantly reducing brake wear. 7, they're fast. Instant torque can help your loved one escape in an emergency without hesitation. These are just a few reasons why a Tesla is an excellent gift for a loved one. If you're looking to buy one, I can sweeten the deal this holiday season by giving you 6 months of free supercharging and 3 months of full self-driving. All you need to do is use my special link located in the description below. And that about almost wraps this one up. If you enjoyed this content, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like these 2 videos. Happy holidays. Until next time, peace.